Gerald Sagal from here in Barangay Danao, MacArthur, Leyte, the only baptized member of the United Church of God here in our barangay. The night before the typhoon landfall here in Leyte, we heard the news that it was so strong to destroy even strong structures. We go to the house of my cousin to stay there for a while because we thought that it was strong enough to protect us. And then the typhoon comes. It was scary, and then we saw houses and structures being destroyed. Then we didn't think that our roof was already lied away by the typhoon. We witnessed typhoons like that before, like Pablo and Tendon. And the feeling was different. We feel so scared that morning that we can't see everything because of the clouds and rain, winds, strong winds that covers our sight. And even the wind shakes the house where we stayed, and we realized all that it was different to be in that actual situation that we never seen before. The next day, my sister goes to our house immediately to check what happened. Then my father also, who stayed there for almost an hour before it was the typhoon, and witnessed how our house been destroyed. And then my sister reported and tells us that our house was destroyed, so we come and see what happened. Then see a coconut tree that covers our house, and everything was lost. So even our toilet bowl is safe because my bed covers it. After the typhoon, we saw big structures being down. Even our house, so small, so see it destroyed also. We don't know where to go, and I don't know where to start again because we don't have any resources, even our food, even my clothes. I wear it 3 days old almost also, and totally it was hopeless. After how many days we saw familiar faces, and I think and it was Pastor Ed. I approached him with his team from UCG, the first relief operation that we received, and first group of people who checked us. On behalf of our family, we would like to say thank you to God first for the blessings that He have given us, to the United Church of God, brethren, through good works, through the liveness also, through our President, Mr. Dubik, and to our senior pastor here in the Philippines, Mr. Earl.
It's just the hurt that you hide when you're lost inside.